Daga mynsiem jingsngewieid bat jingsngewsarong Nonghikai bat ki Khynnah School ka Nativity High School Mawkyrwat kila kitbok kitrwiang ya ka Samla Banrihun Lyngdoh ka Khynnah School barim ka ban mihkhmat ya ka India bat ya ka Jylla Meghalaya syaka lympung iakop Khyrwait Kti World Arm Wrestling Championship arhajar arpusau ka banlong ha Maldova Eastern Europe bala pyniaid da ka Maldovan National Sports Federation of Arm Wrestling naduh ka khatsan haduh arpusan tarik Nailar da ka jingnoh syniang bai lynti ya ka ni ka Samla Nonghikai ki Khynnah School barim bat ki Khynnah ki badang pulih ha ka ni ka skul kila singit ialah ki bai-rneng ban penuh baha ki jingnoh jingsep jong ka ni ka Samla ha ka jingyat lynti jong ka sya ka ni ka lympung ba jong ka perthei ha ka khat ar tarik Nailar kila kurkhu kurdo obat duai na ka benta ka Banrihun bakan wan phai rengkat ka nam lado na ka ni ka lympung Reverend Padar Alfonso Swalang, Principal Nativity High Secondary School, baduba kan pam Lyngdoh, uwe na ki Khynnah School barim, rengkat bat ki Khynnah School, kila ay mynsiem ka Samla Banrihun Lyngdoh, banyakun bat ya le klemrit, persya ya ki thei satar jong ki wei pat kiri. Kila kan pam ban kletlut ya ki jing'e bat syniang haka jing arab jong ublei, bat haka mon bajuat, ban ra ya ka thong ladu na ka ni ka jing iakop, ban yo ra ya ka thong jingjob, ba ka angnud hir haka mynsiem jong ka. Ka Samla Banrihun Lyngdoh kalapan pau da ka jingsngewieid bat ai khublei ya barok ki Khynnah School kiri orang ba ki bala Noh Synniang sebun haka ni ka jingyat lynti jong ka sya ka ni ka lympung. Kumju ya ki kentin kurkhu kurdo jong ki na ka benta ka jingthmu jong ka.
Energetic like this, please avoid all these bad habits of smoking or drinking or anything of that sort. But then keep yourself, as Don Bosco said, keep busy and cheerful. So keep yourself busy in your study, in your work, in everything that you do, and in sport also, because sport also is one of the parts that there's a chance for you, that a job is there for you. So you can earn your living also through the sports. So this what Ms. Marina has given us an example. She has trained by herself and do by herself without much training from the expert, yet she has come up to this line. So it is an encouragement for you and me, for all of us, that if we are serious in our studies, we are serious in our sports, anything that you do naturally will come up in life. So once again, thank you very much to the...
Of course, like Sir Dennis has mentioned, that we are here because of Miss Banrihun Lyngdoh, who will go to Europe to participate in the international arm wrestling championship in Maldova, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a great, and we are very proud as past people of Nativity High School. We are here, we are proud, and we wish that the school will, from time to time, will create more leaders, will create more excellent students, and we hope that in the future this school will shine like our SDSU or DSU of district has said. So I would like to wish Banrihun, on behalf of Nativity High School Alumni Association, we would like to wish her good luck and Godspeed, and we also would like to give you the encouragement that, like Sosotham said, when there is a will, there's a way. So, and we also would like to encourage you by one word, by a great philosopher who said, a history was created by great people, and great people always create a great history. So we hope that this is a good opportunity, and this is your opportunity to represent a large country, India, to Europe. So we wish you to bring a good success, and we would like to see you that when you come back in this place, so we would like to see you that you will come with successful. So I, on behalf of Nativity High School Alumni Association, once again, I wish you and we send you to Europe with good wish that you will come with a successful. So on behalf.
Yes, we have.
Siap ngasgau ban aing doi try kerat ba ulala bandar kat bani minta ke step bat kumjuru so kuman shisha ba mentang layo kalat kalenti ban lejak teh hapo Europe da kajing ya donation lam jongki pajba ne ki pass people but kamtam ngasngau ban aingu nakamta nakane kapo ke school Nativity High Secondary School bah kila ya donation lam Nonghikai ru kila ya donation da mynsiem kaba sebun kaba kemen bat kumjuru ya ki para school ki jonga bah kila ya donation wala ki donation shpo arpo hanrei ngalala ban lepoy haduh hang teh hapo Europe but nasi ban ai kuble ifadaru ba ilaju ai mynsiem yang por syakapor but kamtamru ba kirang ba kilawan mene ya ki sport jong ka DSO but ya ki pass people but kumjuru ya pi ki media de tang menru ba andang lawan phainang teh na po Europe ngan wanra kanam kaburom kamtam hapo kane ka school ka jungi hapo ka district ka jungi bat ka Shillong ka thau ka jungi bat hapo ka yim ka sem ka jungi bat kumjuru hapo kari ka India ka jungi bat ai kublei ru ya I sa confirm ba ilawan menta kasni ban dorkat lang batni bat ilawan ai mynsiem yangi bat ipres